Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and today we are joined by NooBiker, the gentleman that's right in front of me on the Z1000. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea, and let us get into the video. Unfortunately, first things first, I have to make a little bit of a disclaimer. A lot of the footage that we've caught today is probably corrupted because, unfortunately, the Hero 7 Black died on me. So, I'm sorry if the video seems a little bit hit and miss, but I will try and piece it together as best I can. So, a little bit of background history between myself and NooBiker. We've been talking backwards and forwards on Twitter for a good number of days, and we figured today is as good a day as any to get out on the bikes to do our first ever dual vlog. NooBiker's been riding for approximately 2 years. He had a Kawasaki 636, I think he said, before jumping up to the Z1000, and in all fairness, it's actually quite a nice colour, to be fair. It's not often you see a lot of blue Kawasaki's. But today, the Kawasaki green has been replaced by Kawasaki blue, which in itself is rather odd, but kind of cool all at the same time. So today, what we've been up to is, well, with any luck you'll be able to see with the footage I'm going to overlay as I talk, as well as record, because you know I love doing things arse about face. You should be seeing, or hopefully you'll be seeing, some of the twisty roads and country lanes that we've been hitting today. Only downside being is that the forward-facing camera, i.e. the session I've got here, unfortunately died on me before we could get any decent footage. So please forgive me for that. But I have to admit, for the lanes we have hit, they've been a lot of fun. Because I'll be honest, where we are now, I have absolutely no fucking idea. And like I said, boys and girls, I do apologise for the backwards and forwards and jumping about in the video. Oh, pardon me. Because like I said, because the Hero 7 died on me halfway through filming, I think we've missed about a good 40 minutes worth of footage, which unfortunately we're not going to be able to get back to redo. But on the whole, it's been an exceptionally good day. Seen some lovely roads, met some lovely people, but I can't lie, it's been a really, really good day. We have had one or two hairy moments, but on the whole, it's been good fun. It's been good fun. No one's got hurt. Well, I nearly got hurt, but that's a different story. That's because I nearly went into a fucking ditch. And on the whole, like I keep saying on the whole like it's something unusual. On the whole, it's been a really, really nice day. Not to mention the fucking heat coming off this thing is insane. But it's all in good fun. I will say one thing. My riding style does definitely leave something to be desired. That enormous stick. But you're always learning, aren't you? There's always a path of improvement. You'll always find a way to improve, little by little. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm never going to be a MotoGP rider. Gave my man on the Super Duke a salute. Because let's face it, why not? It's always good to acknowledge a fellow rider, whether it be going fast or slow, it makes no difference. It's always nice to just acknowledge the fact that they're there. Do you know what I mean? Nah, I wasn't. No. Not a hope in fucking hell was I going to do that. Right, I can't see anyone. Can't see anything. Fuck me. See, ladies and gents, that's the importance of looking twice, because fuck me, I shat myself. Scared the fucking shit out of me. I mean, it's my own fault, but holy absolute shitballs. I have no fucking idea where we are right now. I do apologise for the swearing, ladies and gents, and I do apologise for the lack of talking. But as you can imagine, when you're out with someone you don't know, you're trying to focus on anything and everything around you. I will say one thing about riding this bike. I have no idea how MotoGP riders and Mod Superbike riders or even BSB riders manage to sit on one of these things for more than an hour at a time. Because I am struggling. Yay, that was another Ducati owner, woo! Oh, but this is pleasant. A little jolly in the countryside. As always, boys and girls, if you like what you see and you want to see more, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Also, if you want to be part of the NooBiker clan as well, feel free to like, comment and subscribe on his channel. The link will be in the description and in the bottom of the video as we go. I do appreciate all the love and support that I get. Also, go and show NooBiker some love and support as well, because he's a up and coming motovlogger like myself. So all the help is greatly appreciated from both points of the scale, or both ends of the scale I should say. Also, I do apologise for the lack of talking and also some audio quality, purely for the fact that one, I'm on roads I don't know, two, I'm with a new rider that I don't really know very well yet. The weather is fucking lovely today. But boys and girls, that incident back there, oy vey, it must have looked fucking scary as fuck on the camera, but oh my fucking god, did it scare the living shit out of me. Oh, that's kind of cute. I'm assuming that's a fire station. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful thing. 75 grand, behave. $17 maybe. 74,995. Behave yourselves. So it's a good thing you can't see what I look like behind this visor, because you would be dying. The look of concentration on my face, it looks like I'm trying. I can only imagine it must look like how I feel. And the feeling I've got, right, is that I'm pulling the face like I'm trying to take a really, really, really tricky shit. Because believe it or not, I don't think I want to know what I look like. Oh, and it stinks. Count yourselves lucky you don't have smell-o-vision. Kid you not, it smells like a fucking abattoir. Oh, McLaren. Seen some rather swanky looking cars around here as well today. 5-field, please drive carefully. Can only try. Can't promise anything, but I'll try. Are we still recording? Looks like it. I really should invest in some earplugs. I really should. Oh, listen to him, he sounds so angry. Oh, Alpha. Oh, pardon. Crop dusting. Oh, he's letting me go. That's nice of him. It's not often highway maintenance do that for you. Some really nice people out today, which is oddly surprising. What a lovely countryside. I know I keep saying it, but the English countryside is rather nice at this time of year. I mean, look at that. You don't normally get a chance to sit back and look at the countryside. I mean, look at that, it's beautiful. I mean, over here, not so beautiful because there's a fucking hedge in the way, but do you know what I mean? Oh, I just run over a fox. I mean, the weather is lovely, the roads aren't brilliant, but they're not full of shit either. You know, it's not rained when it's threatening to rain, which I'm quite glad of because I've not got any waterproofs with me. It's just been a very, very, very nice day. I mean, admittedly, it would have been nice to have gone a little bit faster around the country lanes, but you know, I didn't know where I was going. I don't really know how NooBiker rides. Well, I do now, but I didn't before. It's been a rather thoroughly enjoyable experience. I mean, surprisingly, I thought I'd be a lot hotter and more bothered than what I am. But I'm actually doing alright, to be fair. I'm not doing too bad at all. Smell-o-vision's back again, ladies and gents. Just to point out, I have absolutely no fucking idea where we are right now. Oh, it's nice to straighten my legs. And if it was only for a second. But that's kind of cool. Oh, you can't get cramp in my hip. Ow, 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 ow. It's amazing what standing up does. Are we still recording? Fuck me, we are. You're going that way? Yeah, I'm going that way. Alright, cool. Right, boys and girls. Been back from a nice long ride out with NooBiker. It's been a pretty good day, weather's been lovely, although looking at it now it looks like it's going to piss down with rain. But it's been a pretty good day all round. Also, just as a side note, if you want to show NooBiker some love and join his army of followers, then by all means jump over to his channel. I'll put a link in the description down below. Also, while we're on the subject of things, if you're interested, just started doing these t-shirts. As you can see, it is literally what it says on the tin. It's my channel, it's a logo, it's all good. If you're interested in one of these, then feel free to drop your comments in the box down below, and if we get enough people interested in them, then we will probably start making them as a proper merch. So like I said, feel free to drop your comments in the description box down below, and like I said, if you want one, then feel free, get in touch and we'll see what we can do. But for now, as always, this is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, and by all means, stay safe on the roads, and let's keep COVID-19 at bay. But for now, boys and girls, adios! You ready?